is week 1 of intro beginner hustle, 3-count hustle. I'm Keith Strebel, Joey Tresco. We started off by going ahead, and I'll actually do this facing. We started off with the timing. So it's to the side, and 1, 2, 3, and 1. Going forward, and 1. Practice this, practice marching out in place, okay? And then going back. Followers, you're going to usually be able to find that going back is where your zone is, but leads, you have 3 or 4 or 5 positions of the and. It's always, the and is always going to be with your left. Followers are always on your right. And do not cheat yourself. Make it a full weight shift, okay? This doesn't count touching. So shift, 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 shift. Now, I will show it, and then I will break this down. First, this is the closed position. My hand's on our scapula, not down here. This is prom dancing. We're up here. And followers, it really does help. If you push forward a little bit, it helps get into the lead's hand. We showed throwing out to open, and 1, 2, 3. And then we showed coming back to close, and 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. My footwork as a lead. Okay, my footwork, the rail is going to be going this way. Let's say the rail is going this way. I'm going to go and 1, taking her off in that direction, 3, and going back. And cross, I'm on the rail, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. As the follower, you're going to be taken out to the open, and 1. We're going to turn to the left on the left, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Coming back to close, turning to your right, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. If you have to do one after the other, that is what you just did with the leads, and 1, taking you out to the open, and then coming back, 3, and 1. And that was what we went over today. Thanks for coming in.